You're officially now watching on Gabriel Rascal's show. We're so much happy. We're gonna be having lots of fun today. This video is still the Princess Burn, but on a different map. Have fun, everyone!
Guys, it's me, Gabriel, and today we're playing Dillo the Princess Burn. But this time on this beautiful map. Last time, well, on YouTube, of course, we did this in 30's house. So today, today we're gonna play on the March day. So let's get started. The game, we're playing Dillo's the Princess Bird. What you didn't guys know that I created a post. Quick quiz. Yeah, so anyways, let's get started. As you guys know, I officially came up here and my role is Dillo's. So ready? Let's go. Okay, and that's right. Let's go. Woo! We have to find Hyra. Oh, I actually found them. That's tag 30.
If you can, I think
Ready?
we're actually gonna go
Run. I got get you. Shit. Oh shit, he got. Oh shit, he got away. Well, I guess I have to go down riskily. And hello. Okay.
quick.
What's it gonna do with that?
I know. I'm here the yo-yo.
Gotcha!
What yo-yo? What?
Gotcha!
Yeah, don't you?
No, gotcha!
I need help.
Gotcha! Gotcha! I got you first! Gotcha! Oh! Oh no! Oh no! Oh shit! Oh shit! Okay. I'm tired. Okay. Oh wait! Okay. Oh shit! Okay. What? Oh wait. You going in here? I'm not talking for you, rap. I thought you wanted to say so. Well, and also, by the way, it's the 10 millionth of the new Dillo the Princess Bird. Sorry. Okay. Oh shit! I'm going flamingo. Oh wait. Okay. Oh shit! Oh crap! God, you really helped me so well. Okay. Oh, we're going to go now. Oh, shit. No, again. No, no, I fell. As I go here, then don't take another step, and you're dead. Let there be escape, or else you die. Now push me, guys. Guys, if you're watching this, this is a intense scene coming. Get ready? Yeah, not so watching intense scene, bro. Oh no. Okay, sorry. Okay, roll down. Let's check that one. Okay. Let's go on that joke road. Okay. Let's go. They're going to attack me now. Let's go now. Oh shit! Oh shit! I can't go away. Oh shit! Oh shit! I can't go away. Ah! Ah! Okay. Okay, so don't turn back, Raphael. And also, who are you? Oh crap! I'm the Dillo! You gotta be kidding me. Let's go! According to the ground. Okay, that was Oh shit. I'll show them. What? I'm not gonna attack them, but let's pretend I'm a fucking NPC. So, okay. Okay. I'm just gonna go here. And I'm just gonna mingle around. Like we're in Squid Game. Hi. Oh. Okay, I'm searching for that wall. Okay, what about this here? Not there. And that'll be sick.
No. Why are you recording?
City nurses.
You want to go faster?
No.
No? You want to stop?
Mia. Thank you, Auntie Bianca. So, I'm gonna get here. Nine.
I'm still not getting back. I'm still not getting up.
One.
I got your mark.
Quick. Okay. I don't know where they are, but I got them real good. And I wonder where they are. Oh shoot, I saw them. Let's go get them. Let's get them. Oh wait. What? It does in the comment.
Little bro 5,000.
Okay. Guys, the video got started soon, but it's going to be part 2 soon. So, So it's time for part 2. And so get ready.
What's that?
No, not volleyball, that, bro. Part 2 is coming now.
Thank you for watching this video on Gay Review Zone. Well, until next time on another video on Gay Review Zone.